How to add hashtags to Instagram Reels after posting. So as you can see right here, I have a reel that I already posted 37 seconds ago. So if you want to actually add an Instagram Reel hashtag, what you can do is you can head over right here to your profile. Just head over and click on this Reels icon, and then head over and then click on the Reels that you want to edit. So for example, let's click on this, and then from there you can see the three dots right here, click on that. And then from there, click on this manage. On the manage, you can see this edit right here. So head over and click on the edit that will actually show on the manage option. Once you have clicked on that, you can see this write a caption and hashtags. So from in there, just select the hashtag icon on your keyboard and then just enter in here the hashtag that you want. So let's enter in here hashtag pretty nails. And then as you see, it's been added. So let's click on check right here in order to see the progress that we have made with this particular reel. So that's how you add hashtags to Instagram Reels after posting. Hope we helped.